Over the globe today, education is not only confined to books, it's also about exploring the world with practical knowledge. Spread over 26 acres, K.R. Mangalam University is nested in the Aravalli Hills. The fully residential green campus offers an idyllic and intellectually vibrant environment for every learner. Global exposure is incomplete without international collaborations. K.R. Mangalam University has proudly collaborated with many premier international universities like Middlesex University London, ESCE International Business School and the University of Florida. Professional education and industry exposure goes hand in hand. And as an educational institution, K.R. Mangalam University has joined hands with ace companies in every sector for a better prospect. We have collaborated with giants like Apple, Dabur, FTCI, Medanta, Google and Sun Pharma to name a few. Along with this, we have 400 plus recruiters from various sectors connected to our campus with a 90+% placement record over the years. We have multiple feathers in our cap, like the Best University for Innovation Award in the 3rd Asia Pacific Education and Technology Award 2020 and the Best University Award in Asia with strong industry connections by Education Post.
School of Legal Studies extends a hearty welcome to all the budding lawyers. The school offers a 5-year integrated BBA LLB Honours, BCOM LLB Honours, BA LLB Honours and 3 years LLB Honours degree at undergraduate level and LLM 1-year program with specialization in criminal laws, corporate laws, human rights and humanitarian laws, intellectual property rights and cyber laws. We at School of Legal Studies aim to make our students distinct by offering them specializations at undergraduate level also in criminal law, constitutional law, business law, international law with honours degree. Client counseling classes and moot court competitions are an integral part that educates the students to learn the fundamentals of being a legal practitioner. Summer internships after every year helps the students in hands-on learning. The delivery of academic courses and the interaction with legal luminaries provides a platform for the students to have experiential learning. 100% placement aid is given to the students since the inception of the course.
Hello, I am Sara and I am a part of the BBA LLB program at the School of Legal Studies at K.R. Mangalam University. I grew up with a dream to become a successful lawyer one day and K.R. Mangalam has provided me with the perfect opportunity for the same. The faculties over here are experts in law as well as legal studies, keeping aside the academics which is excellent in itself. We are also provided with practical exposure with the help of moot courts, field trips, conferences, webinars and much more. I also get free Wi-Fi so that I can stay in touch with my peers all the time. Apart from this, the food served at the canteen is delicious and healthy and we are also provided with a well-equipped gymnasium as well as an outdoor and indoor sports complex. Earlier, I wasn't much aware about the various career opportunities in this field, but my friends, teachers and seniors helped me understand that there aren't one but many opportunities that I will get to prove my mettle.
I invite you to join us in the quest for knowledge and excellence with the promise of an enriching, enjoyable and empowering experience at K.R. Mangalam University.